3 ways to create passive income. Hello guys, my name is Victor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways which I believe are one of the best ways to create passive income. Without wasting time, starting with the first one, real estate. Real estate and rental properties are one of the most secure investments you can make because people are always going to need land and real estate properties. The only problem with real estate is that it requires a lot of money, a lot of capital in the beginning to start with. But if you're really smart, you can definitely start from zero. If the property that you want to buy, for example, is $100,000 and you're getting $500 per month rental income from that property, and your loan, your mortgage is, for example, $300 per month, you're getting $200 passive income net profit from that particular rental income from that property. And of course, you're going to grow with time. You want to pay this loan, this mortgage as soon as you can. And after that first property, you're going to buy another one, second one, third one. And by the age of 40, you can have 7 properties that are generating passive income, which is enough for you to live entirely from it. This is the goal, to build equity, to continue to grow, to have more and more properties. And it's definitely something which is really secure and one of the best passive income ways, in my opinion. Passive income method number 2, selling products. Now you're going to tell me that selling products is not a passive income, it's actually very active income. You need to sell the products. But just hear me out, guys. I'm not talking about selling products in your neighborhood. I'm talking about selling products online. Let's take Amazon FBA for example. With Amazon FBA, you do your research, find a product which is selling really well, have a high demand and low competition, and you're going to find a Chinese supplier who can create this product for a really low cost for you. You're going to contact this supplier, you're going to negotiate the price, and you're going to ship this product directly to Amazon's warehouses. You don't ship it to yourself, you ship it directly to Amazon. It needs some work in the beginning, actually a lot of work in the beginning to buy this product, to contact with the supplier, with Amazon, to put your product on Amazon. But once you have your product on Amazon up and running and it's selling, you don't have to do a lot of things, guys. It's pretty passive. Amazon is doing all the shipping and the packing and all the customer support stuff. So once you have your product on Amazon and selling, you don't have to do a lot of things. It's very passive income. You probably have to contact your supplier each month or every 2 months to restock, to sell the next shipment of the products to Amazon. But that's probably going to take you 1 or 2 hours per month. So something that requires 1 or 2 hours per month of work, it's pretty passive to me. You can also do dropshipping. Dropshipping is another way of selling products online, which is great for passive income. You have to do some ads and stuff like that, but once you set up your store and your store is up and running, it's pretty passive. You have a website, people are buying from there, and the fulfillment of the orders is done by your supplier. Once you set up the store in the beginning and just create some Facebook ads, it's up and running, it's very passive income. So the second method is selling products online. The third passive income method, guys, is selling something online which people are going to use for a long period of time. This time I'm not talking about physical products, but I'm talking about an online course that you can create or a software that you can create and people can pay you monthly subscriptions to use it, something like that. For example, if you're good at Photoshop or video editing, design, stuff like that, you can create a course about it and put it into Udemy, for example, or create your own platform and sell it there. And it requires a lot of work in the beginning, just as every passive income method. But after that, after the initial work is done in the beginning, after you put it on the internet, it's very passive. Maybe you need to update the course every couple of months, but it's very passive and it's generating you income every day and every month. I know this from example because I have a couple of courses on Udemy I created these courses, I put them in there, and Udemy is doing all the marketing for me. These courses have generated for me something like $700, and it's not a lot of money, but it's definitely something, and it's definitely something that you can do too. With the first method that I told you, with the rental income and the real estate, the problem is that you need a lot of money to start with. The second method, selling products, you also need money to start with, to buy your first order. But with this method, the third method, you can start from scratch. You don't even need $1, guys. You need a camera, a microphone, something that you probably have, and to create a course on a topic that you're knowledgeable about. Everyone knows something which can be helpful to somebody else. I'm sure that you are good at something. It can be playing video games or playing guitar, some instrument, or good at design or good at fitness. Something that you can do and help people do it the same way. Just create a course about something that you're knowledgeable about, and you will be amazed from the positive comments and the positive feedback that people will give you. I'm telling you, I'm not an expert in these topics that I have created courses for on Udemy, but people are giving me 4 or 5-star reviews, and they're really helpful because it's a course for beginners, and it's really helping people to start with the things they want to start with. So just create a course about something that you're good at and put it there. You can update it after months to make it better, of course, but it's going to generate passive income for you probably for years. So these are the 3 passive income methods that I really like, guys. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, tell me what passive income method you're currently using or what passive income method you want to start with. And subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it, and I will continue with uploading videos about wealth creation, passive income, business, and motivation. So leave me your comment, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.